The real battle. Zimdancehall star Blot admitted into rehab. The entertainment world is often a glittering facade, and behind the bright lights, many stars battle silent demons. Today, the news that Zimdancehall star Blot, also known as Blot Grenade, real name Blessing Chimanga, has checked into a rehabilitation center for drug addiction has sent a ripple of concern and solidarity through the Zimbabwean music industry and his fanbase. Blot, a gifted artist known for hits like Ndiri Baad and his electrifying stage presence, has decided to take a crucial, life-altering step toward recovery. He has been admitted to the Matrix Camp Rehabilitation Center to receive the necessary support to overcome his struggle with drug addiction. A public struggle. For many who have followed his career, this news, while deeply saddening, may not come as a total surprise. For years, the issue of drug and substance abuse has been a pervasive shadow over the Zimdancehall scene, and Blot's personal battle has, at times, played out publicly. His career, which saw him soar to fame as one of the genre's most promising talents, has been hampered by repeated brushes with the law, including a high-profile drug-related arrest in 2023. These incidents served as stark reminders of the heavy price of addiction, and now, the artist is making a definitive move to reclaim his life. The power of a second chance. The good news is that this path to recovery is not being walked alone. Blot's admission to rehab comes after a generous offer of a free rehabilitation program from local clergyman, Prophet Kudakwash Jose. This gesture of support, championed by his manager, Jack Radix, underscores the collective hope that the community holds for the young star. People of Blot's caliber need this kind of support, said Radix, expressing gratitude for the offer. The faith shown by Prophet Jose and the management team is a powerful reminder that addiction is an illness, and recovery is possible when the right support system is in place. More than just a musician. Blot's journey transcends his status as a musician. It mirrors the broader crisis of substance abuse affecting many young people in Zimbabwe. His courage in facing his addiction head-on can serve as a potent symbol and inspiration for countless others struggling silently. His decision is a brave acknowledgement that stepping away from the spotlight to focus on healing is the most important performance he will ever give. It's a battle not for record sales, but for life itself. The road ahead. The road to full recovery will undoubtedly be long and challenging. However, with professional care at the Matrix Camp and the unwavering support of his family, management, and fans, Blot has given himself the best chance for a brighter future. As he embarks on this chapter, we, the fans, have a role to play. Instead of judgment, let us offer encouragement, patience, and a powerful wave of positive energy. We eagerly await the return of the energetic, creative artist, but most importantly, we pray for the return of a healthy, sober Blessing Chimanga. Join the conversation. Share your messages of support and encouragement for Blot in the comments below. Let him know the Zimdancehall family is rooting for his recovery. If you or someone you know is battling addiction, please seek professional help. Resources are available to start the journey toward recovery.